Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kaushik and this is my third video. If you have not seen my first video on Python basics, I highly recommend you checking it out first. It lays the groundwork for everything we are about to do today. Every great recipe starts with ingredients, and for our program, those are numbers and the operators. We will use Python's built-in input function to ask for user these three things. First, let us get the operator. This will be the string value like plus sign, minus sign, etc. We will store the operator in a variable called opt and we'll get the input and we're gonna just do enter your desired function and in bracket we're gonna just give it plus minus multiplication and division. Okay, now if we just press Ctrl tilde and run this, we will have a option to enter whatever value we want. If you want to do plus, then we will just do plus and enter. Next, we need two numbers. We will ask for these two numbers to the user. It's important that we don't just get them as strings from the input. For our calculator to actually perform math, we need to convert them into a numerical value. I will use the float function here. Why float and not int? Well, int is for whole numbers and float can handle decimals. This makes our calculator more versatile. So first we're going to check what is the option and I'm going to check it using double equal signs and we're going to check if it is plus, and if it is plus then we're going to ask for an input, ask for the first number which is going to be an input and we're going to just do enter first number, the first number to add, and then we're going to just do second number, we're going to just do input and we're going to just do enter second number. Now, as I said, we want them both as float. So to convert them into float, we're going to just do a float and inside that we're going to paste that, and same at the below, we're going to just do float and we're going to cast it inside to get a float value. Then we're going to just do print and we're going to print a formatted string, and inside there we're going to just do result of first number plus second number equals first number plus second number. So now if we run the program and we just do plus, so it asks us to enter the first number, so we're gonna just give it 25, and the second number, let's give it also 25, and there you go, result of 25 plus 25 is 50. Now if we enter something else like negative, it does not work because we have to create the same way we created for plus. Now we're going to do for everything else like opt equals to negative, so we're gonna do it for the subtraction. So we're gonna just do first number, I'm gonna just copy this and paste this right here, and right here we're gonna just do minus, and right here we're gonna just do minus. Let's check it out if it works or not. So we're gonna just put minus and we're gonna give it a number of 45 and second number of 25, so it's gonna subtract 25 from 45 and we get 20 as a result. Let's do the third operation, which is going to be our multiplication. We're gonna just do equals multiplication. We're gonna just copy the same things. We're not taking in multiple inputs for timing. For the timing, we're just taking two numbers. We can do multiple numbers, but let's for simplicity take two numbers. And then we're gonna just do same thing here, that we're gonna print it and we're gonna just convert it to multiplication. Now let's check it. and we select multiplication and we give it 5 multiplied by 7 and we got 35. So that works. So now we're gonna do the division one, which is going to be equals division, and we're gonna just copy this same things. Now in division, if you divide by 0, then the result is indefinite. So we're gonna just check if the second number is equals to 0, then we're gonna just print second number is 0, so division is not possible. So we're gonna just print that and we're gonna just give it this and change this to division operator. And now if we just run the program again and select division, and if we give 8 and divide by 2, and there you go, it works. Now if we try to divide by 0, let's just say 8 and divide by 0. Okay, so we got an error because this code runs regardless of this. So we have to put this inside else, and now it should have worked. So we're gonna just do that. Division, first number 8 and 0. There you go. Second number is 0, so division is not possible. And there you have it, a complete functional and user-friendly calculator. You have used the building blocks of Python to create this genuinely useful program. This is a project that demonstrates how to take a simple concept and combine them to create something interactive. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss the next video. As always, feel free to leave your questions or suggestions what you should do next in the comments below. Happy coding. I will see you in the next one.